Hello, I would like to present you the third part of the AMOS II copy and paste tutorial, which deals with user-defined functions. The functions that we will do in this tutorial, they are parameterized views, inline user-defined functions from SQL Server, and so they are the simplest way of defining functions. AMOS has also procedural functions in which statements like for, while, if can be used. Let's get into the AMOS system. Give me a second. And let's create the first function, which returns the persons with incomes higher than a certain threshold. Create function higher incomes number, which is the threshold, and returns a bag of number as select income of P from person P where income of P is bigger than threshold. And the test call is this one, which incomes are bigger than the given threshold, which is 500. I have some numbers. What we can see here that the this function returns a bag, which is an unordered collection of eventually repeated elements. So we do not have unique elements. And this is also a characteristic of the SQL standard, SQL language, which also, even if it works with the relational model, with tables, which ideally should have primary keys and unique keys and foreign keys relationship between them, even if everything is defined as it should, us with the select statement based on the projection and of the selection, we can have a set of values of rows which are not unique, they are repeated, and they are not a relation. And the same is in here. So we return bags of numbers which can be repeated. Now we will go to the next function, and this function will return the name of the person who has the income along with the income itself. Number inc person P. Sorry, I will have to select. I will have to quit just to reset everything. Okay, so I will define, I start again defining the higher income person function. Create function higher income pers number which is the threshold, and it returns a bag of tuples. One field of the tuple of a tuple is the name as a character string, and then a number, which is the income, as select name of P. Properties of as functions we see here, from number inc person P, and this is a join where income of P equal inc, and the filter. Higher income purse of 500, and here they are. So exactly the same results as before, but with an associated name. And the last function you defined in the tutorial is create function. So it's a function which returns the k highest paid persons, and you will see that if we call it with the appropriate parameter, we'll return exactly the same result set, bag, as before. So highest income purse, number k, bag of char string of name, number inc as select property as a function again, property as a function again, the income from person P, order by income of P, descending, limit k. If I run a test with the function 2, I have the same result. Limit k is the same of top n from SQL. So this concludes the part of defining parameterized views in AMOS. Thank you for your attention.